now.
Okay. All right. Well, I want to just take a second and focus on innovation. I'm a physician. I think innovation has done more to improve healthcare probably than anything I can think of, and has the potential to drive the cost of healthcare down more than any legislation that we can write up here. And I think of some of the great learning institutions, research institutions in Kansas, Kansas State University, Kansas University, Wichita State University. So, Dr. Mykott, let me ask you, if I'm going to go back, I'm going to be visiting with my leaders in those universities, what would you be telling them to think about for innovation, for research, and where do you see us going? Just give you some free rope here and chat a little bit.
I'm sure I would have a lot of ideas to share with them. I think we have a good grapple on the nature of this issue. And we have a good sense of kind of what it is that we still need, right? Renewable energy is a topic we talked a little bit about today. It's doing well. It's market competitive in a lot of cases, but it's intermittent, right? Not just because like the sun doesn't shine at night, but sometimes, you're over the space of months or years, you're going to get different weather patterns, and that's going to affect things. So really what we need to think about are what are the characteristics in energy sources that we want going forward that we don't already have. So that might be easily dispatchable, very resilient, low carbon energy sources, for example. Identify those, understand where you can find the most scale, both here in the United States and internationally, and pursue them with speed and vigor.
Okay. I think of innovation across the country, fracking, some of those types of things, our opportunities, carbon capture. Would you suggest us developing innovation here to help other countries? Do you think we should just send money to other countries to help them do things?
I think we should focus on innovation. All of our policies should be at least as a side benefit, incentivize people to innovate new ways of doing things, because what we really want is for people to do a lot more globally while emitting a lot less. And that's an innovation challenge primarily.
Okay. Well, what's the coolest innovation thing out there that we haven't talked about today?
Oh, that's interesting. Energy storage, the idea that we can find lots of interesting ways, either through mechanical or chemical means, to store a lot of energy is a very kind of, I think, an interesting thing. My favorite example is very large flywheels like you have in the clutch of your car. You can, when you have excess energy, spin them up, and when you need to take energy out of the storage system, you generate it from this massive spinning wheel.
Okay.
I don't know that that's being deployed, but it's a great idea.
Okay. Thank you so much. I yield back.